Itong event na ito ay napakahalaga para sa PCMC. Sabi ko nga po, ito ay isang milestone kasi this is the first time that we're going to have a family room from the Ronald McDonald's House of Charities. Itong family room na ito ay hindi lamang isang facility, kundi para talaga sa part ng holistic healing ng aming mga pasyente. Ang aming mga pasyente ay puro mga bata. So, laging kasama syempre ang pamilya pag bata ang pasyente. So, this room actually is a haven for them. Not only where they can find respite, rest, they'll be able to recharge, while waiting for their therapy. Usually po ang aming mga chronically ill patients na talagang halos sa araw-araw ay nandito para sa kanilang tuluyang treatment would really need this room, para naman po matulungan sila not only physically but also emotionally. Sa ngayon po, gumagawa po kami talaga ng mga guidelines or policies on how to operate this family room. For the meantime, we're having it operational only during the day. Meron lang po kaming oras usually siguro 8 to 5 during the time of their treatment. Kasi ino-open lang po muna namin ito para sa mga outpatients.
Ito po ang kauna-unahang family room and it can't be in a better place but here in PCMs. Of course, a play area kung saan yung mga bata o yung mga kapatid na may sakit can stay and play. We of course have the resting area and we have a dining and a mini kitchen as well. So families can enjoy merienda or mga quick meals.